Hi and welcome to today's live stream from Logosol. If you want to know more about Logosol and our products, please visit our homepage, logosol.com. You can find all pricing and more information about our products online. If you want to see our previous live streams that we've done, we do one live stream every week. And I've done so this spring and summer here from the Logosol headquarters in Sweden. So go to our Facebook page, Logosol Portable Sawmills, or our YouTube channel, and that's also Logosol Portable Sawmills on YouTube. Today, me and my colleague here, my name is Andreas,
Anders.
are going to show you the Big Mill wide slabber. So we actually did a live stream, a bit more comprehensive live stream earlier this spring on the Big Mill system as well, where we actually showed setting up your first cut and changing from one cut to the other. But today will be a bit simpler live stream. We'll cut through this log and we'll set up for the next cut and just show you the Big Mill system, and we're going to tell you a bit more about it as well. So the Big Mill system consists of different parts. You have the rig itself, where you attach the chainsaw to one end. And on the top here, we also have an oil pump, so we can lubricate the chain and guide bar, both from the chainsaw side and from the top side. We also have water cooling here on the top to reduce the heat in the chain and bar. So it's a double-ended guide bar from Cannon bars in Canada. And we use a hyper skip ripping chain from Oregon, the 27RX chain. So a really good chain and a really good bar for applications like this. This is the 66-inch system that we have, which means that we have a 66-inch guide bar and you can mill logs up to 130 centimeters in diameter. And of course you can get it with several different guide bar options up to, I believe it's up to 84 inches. So you can mill really huge logs with this system. So that's the rig itself, and then we have the guide rails on each side that actually guides the top and chainsaw part through the log. And the advantage of having these guide rails is actually that you get a really good tolerances in the cut, so a very exact cut. So we're going to run this through now, and then we'll show you how to set up for the next cut and show you how easy it is. It's really simple and easy, and it goes really fast to do it. The chainsaw we're using here is the Steel MS 880. So it's Steel's biggest chainsaw, which is really what we recommend. And this chainsaw is 110 cubic centimeters and 10.5 horsepower. Yeah. So that's what you need to run a rig like this, even though it will function with smaller chainsaws. But to get the most out of it, we really recommend a really strong chainsaw. So let's start milling. And of course, if you have any questions during the live stream, remember to write them in the chat and we'll try to answer as many as possible. As I mentioned earlier, we have a more comprehensive live stream where we go through the big mill system. And we have more videos on our YouTube channel as well, covering the big mill system and a lot of other products, of course. And now we're going to set it for the next cut, so we'll just put it up on the log, just to don't have any, so we don't have any weight on the guide rails. And to be able to set the next height, we're going to use a wooden board that has a certain width, and that width is the thickness of the next slab we're going to mill. So, and these come when you buy the big mill kit. You get 2 of these different spacers or dimensional boards, or what you want to call them. And of course it's very easy to make your own to be able to have a board that's specific for the thickness you want to mill. So at first we have a plate in the bottom that where the crossbar here rests at. So we're going to put this spacer bar or the board underneath, and the bar under it. So we'll screw the support bar in the bottom with the spacer, and then the crossbar onto the log, and then we'll remove the board and just lower the crossbar against the bottom support bar. And then we'll do the same procedure on the opposite side. And finally we're going to attach the crossbar in the log again, and then we're ready for the next cut. And if you want to know more about the big mill system, technical data, prices and so on, you can visit our homepage at logosol.com. And then you can go into chainsaw mills and big mill system or wide slabber to find out more what kind of options we have in terms of bar length. And the guide rails included in the kit are 3 meters. So you have 3 meters on each side to support the rig itself. And these bars or guide rails can of course be extended to the length of log you require. So now Anders have lowered the cross beam bar on that side, and it's lowered on this side. So what we'll do is just attach it back to the log so that it stays firmly in place. And as you can see, it doesn't take that much time to set up for the next cut. And it's really good to have a cordless drill like this, so that you can quickly and easily just loosen the screws, move it down, and then attach everything again. And now we'll lift the the rig back in position, in the start position again. So the rig actually rests on plastic slides under the chainsaw carriage and under the top carriage. And on the side where you have the chainsaw, it actually attaches in the back of the guide rail as well, so it doesn't come this way. And now we're ready to make another
Next cut. Yeah.
next cut.
Yeah.
So I think we can go all the way through.
All the way?
Perhaps.
Yes.
Yeah.
You want to say something more about the chain, or should we show how it looks?
Yeah, I mean the Oregon chain, as you can see, the Hyperskip chain has a really long distance between every pair of teeth, which actually increases the speed you can cut with when you're making these wide cuts. So we actually it's a really advantage with this chain. And saves a lot of time actually, and it's quite easy to resharpen since you don't have that many teeth, so you can resharpen it in a few minutes all the way around. And compared to a normal full tooth chain, it's a huge improvement in time when you're milling.
It's much easier to cut.
Yeah. Don't require as much power as well. easy to use and easy to operate. You can take care of the log exactly where it is and slice it up into wide slabs like this. And you actually get a really good surface finish on the board, on the slab itself. And of course, we've noticed there's a huge demand for products like this, taking care of these logs where you can't process any other way than by with a chainsaw mill. So that's what we have the big mill system for, taking care of the big logs. And of course, there's huge value in the wide slabs like this, because it's, I mean, we can see all over the globe there's an interest in wide slabs, making rustic and solid furniture in with slabs like this. So it's really great, and we are happy to be able to offer this equipment to actually do that. I'm just gonna tell you about this. We have a new video out actually. If you are from Germany, we actually have a new German video on the big mill wide slabber. So if you are interested and you see this, take a look at our German Facebook page to find out more about that, if you want to see some more video material from the big mill in German. Do we? We're gonna lift it.
Okay, yeah. Put it down here.
Lift it off.
Yeah.
As I said earlier, go to logosol.com if you want to find out the price and more information. And when you go to logosol.com, you can actually choose which country you're from. And if you're from a country where we have a dealer or distributor, you will have the contact information to them on the webpage. But you are, of course, welcome to contact us here in Härnösand in Sweden as well. You can give us a call, or you can send us an email. You have the contact information on the webpage. Our email address is info@logosol.com. So don't hesitate to contact you if you're interested of these types of products that we're having. And if you want to know more about our other products, you can find them on our webpage as well. We have a big range of chainsaw mills, and we also have a range of bandsaw mills as well.
Yeah.
Taking care of logs from 75 centimeters up to 1 meter in diameter on a bandsaw mill.
Yeah.
So check it out. And if you go to our homepage, you can also sign up for our newsletter, and that way you will be the first to know about information from Logosol. You will get information about campaigns, new products, when we have more live streams and so on, and more inspirational content as well. Let me check just if we have any more questions. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and please let us know in the comments down below, or send us an email, or give us a call if you want to see any other products in our future live streams. Otherwise, we'll see you next Monday, where we'll have the next live stream. We're showing the Timberjig.
Timberjig, yes.
the Timberjig system.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's it. Thanks. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.